Hi, I'm Bowen, the creator of Systemic, which is an add-on to Miro which allows you to build and expand on systems maps using simple natural language. Systems maps are a powerful way to understand and deal with complexity so you can act with more awareness and design better interventions. So once you install Systemic from the Miro marketplace, it will appear on your action panel here on the left-hand side. If you open it up, you'll see this screen for generating a systems map. So let's say I'm working on a project looking at what's causing declining trust in public institutions. I can type that in and click on generate. And so as you can see, we've got the systems map here on the left side and a summary card here on the right. The summary highlights the key system elements, critical relationships, and leverage points, which gives us an idea of where might be best to intervene in the system. You'll also notice the connections here are color-coded, with red being amplifying or reinforcing relationships and blue being balancing. The thickness as well also shows how strong the perceived influence is of one node to another. If you were to click into one of these nodes, you'll be able to see the AI reasoning for why it added that into this specific systems map. All of this is free to use in the free tier. There's also a pro mode which does live web research and adds citations to a map. I'll show you that in a moment, but first let me show you how to expand on what we currently have. So if I select this map, the modify map section opens up, which gives me additional features to expand and iterate on the systems map. Let's say I'm interested in the relationship between public discontent and the spread of misinformation. I can simply type that in here. Then when I press on expand system, the AI will look at the entire systems map for context, including of course the prompt, in order to add additional nodes and connections. So here you'll get the chance to review these and decide whether you want to reject and iterate the prompt further, or if you're happy with it, when you press accept, it will format the nodes and incorporate it into the map. You'll also have the ability to apply some auto formatting. As you can see, it's getting a little bit crowded here, and also update the summary card, which can become out of date over time as we expand on this map further. So I'll quickly auto format and update the summary card to show how that works. Great. So I can see the card has now been updated. Now, let me show you the pro mode. So if I click on the Pro tab here for generating a systems map, you'll have the ability to include web research. So this actually does live web research based on the specific prompt or system that you're trying to explore. And it also allows the ability to add custom sources such as URLs and PDFs. You can either use that as the sole source of map generation or supplement that with additional web research as well. So let's say that I wanted to add two research sources, the first of which is an article on trust in public institutions, and also a PDF research paper by the OECD on the same topic. In this particular case, I do want to supplement these sources with additional web research, and I will add in some instructions on what I would like for the systems map. Explore factors influencing the decline of trust in public institutions. And then when I click on generate, this systems map will take considerably longer to generate because there's an agentic research step here. It's also, of course, analyzing the source material that I provided, and it will provide a more customized and research-backed map. So let's see what it comes out with. And here is the result. So if you click into any of these nodes, you'll see the AI reasoning, but you also see the sources. In this case, it's mentioned in both of the sources which I added, as well as two additional sites which the research agent has discovered. There's also an additional citations and sources card, which includes both my sources and the additional research sources from the research agent. If I select the map, I can also expand in the same way by adding any additional sources, as well as supplementing it with additional web research if desired. So that's it for the demo. As I said, the app is already live, so you can find it by searching for Systemic in the Miro marketplace, and that will give you the installation link and the flow for you to start using it. This is something I'm actively building, so always love to hear any thoughts, questions, or ideas from you. I really hope that this tool is something which can help you in your systems change initiatives, and thanks a lot for watching.